Welcome to the Daily Social, and this is episode 26. And in this episode, I will be talking about LinkedIn Stories, a brand new feature that is being rolled out in the US now on the LinkedIn platform. So be sure to tune in to episode 26 happening now. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 28 of the Daily Social Podcast. Now, in this episode, it's going to be a little bit different. There isn't going to be no guests or anything like that on today. But what I really want to talk about is the new feature that has come out called LinkedIn Stories. And if you guys haven't heard of it, I suggest that you go over to LinkedIn and check it out. It's very, very helpful if you're trying to grow your brand or your business. And for us, it's super monumental for us. We get to do behind the scenes of what our business looks like, or what the day-to-day process is, maybe onboarding a new client or onboarding a new customer, whatever the case is. LinkedIn Stories is here in the US, so if you guys want to get it, the link will be in the description of this episode, so you guys can go and check it out. But if you guys want to know more about it, head over to linkedin.com and go and check out stories. And if you guys haven't done so already, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link will also be in the description of this episode. And to be honest with you, I'm surprised that LinkedIn Stories is here. And this has been a long time coming because it's been in Australia. They've been working in it in Australia and New Zealand and all over the place. So it's a big thing for us, and in essence, it's a feature that enables members and organizations to share like short videos. It's basically like Instagram, but for LinkedIn for business. So it's the same thing, but on the flip side, it's not Instagram. It is Instagram in a way and LinkedIn at the same time. So yeah, but with this, it's a way for you guys to build relationships with your clients, your customers, and everything like that. And the only downside is LinkedIn and Instagram share the same thing, because once you post your story, and it's only up for 24 hours, so they are testing it, and it's only available. They're making it available in Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Netherlands, UAE, and the US. So if you guys got access to test it out, you have to have the latest version of the app. You have to be a member based in one of the countries, and it's going to be made available to pages gradually. And your story sections include your individual profile but not your page profile, which means it won't be available for your company page but your personal page. So if you guys want to check it out, feel free. And if you guys want to learn more about this, you can head over to linkedin.com, and it should be there. But in essence, it's linkedin.com. It's going to be in the LinkedIn help section. You'll just type in LinkedIn Stories and it should be there. But we are so excited that LinkedIn Stories is here in the US, because it's been a while. Because for me personally, I've been seeing people testing it out like in Australia, Brazil, France, the Netherlands, UAE. So and I've seen a couple of people that I've connected with on LinkedIn use it, and it's here already, but certain people haven't gotten access to it yet. But it's still in the works. They're still working out the kinks and everything like that. But if you guys want to know more, you guys can feel free to connect with me. I can explain it to you there, and feel free to send me any messages that you guys may have, any questions about any business related questions, tech questions, any sort of questions involving business, technology, social media, any one of those three genres of questions, you guys can feel free to send me a question about, and I will be happy to answer it. So this is episode 28 of the Daily Social Podcast, and we will see you guys in the next episode. Later, guys. Thank you for listening to episode 26 of the Daily Social Podcast. If you found this episode insightful or creative in any way, feel free to share this with your network on social media. Be sure to tag a friend, and be sure to tune in to episode 27 next time on the Daily Social Podcast. See you guys on episode 27.